Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and if you follow my channel for any amount of time, most of you know that I do not own an air fryer. I just haven't had one. I didn't know if I would actually use one, but then a company reached out to me and wanted to have me do a review on this Zstar 7-in-1 indoor grill air fryer combo. So it's an indoor grill, so that interested me, and it also is an air fryer combo. Now I've used this thing already, but let me just take you for a quick look around on this. It's right there. Okay, so here it is. On the front, it's got some tips, some grilling tips and air crisp tips. Gives you some basic temps and everything. It does come with a manual, a suggestion manual. All right, and up here on the top, it has some presets: bacon, roast, grill, vegetables, preheat, dehydrate, and air crisp. I'm really interested in that dehydrate part. Let's take a walk around here. Here's the side. I think it's about 12 inches wide, something like that. Here's the back. One thing, the cord seems, I don't know, it might be 3 feet long. It's kind of short, but you know, if you got it in your kitchen, no worries. There you go, that's the side. Let's take a look at the front again. All right, looks pretty slick, huh? If we open it up, there's the heating elements. And this is what it comes with. This is the air crisp basket. This is your grill grate. And call this a cooking pot. So basically, from what I can tell, this is really just kind of a grease tray. And then there's the bottom. It has these little dimples here. Nothing on this one for that, but that fits in like that. And to make them all fit, when you close it, this is how it has to go. Grill grate, and then the air crisp basket. And then you can close it. What do you think of that? It also comes with some tongs, so that's pretty sweet. All right, so yeah, I said I've already used this. One thing I absolutely hate is microwaving pizza. So I'm like, well, this is going for the test for reheating pizza. So check this out. I'm going to set this at 400 degrees for 2 minutes and just hit the play button. It doesn't say start or stop, it's got a play and stop square. Anyway, there's my pizza inside that window, and after 2 minutes it beeps, and there you go. Nice reheated pizza that's not all limp and doughy like in a microwave. Here, check out the bottom of this one. Look at that. Nice and crispy. That's right. I reheated some pizza, 2 minutes, crispy, not all doughy, perfect. Loved it. All right, and then I went ahead and that evening I made a T-bone steak. It was pretty big as far as size, but it's pretty thin. So anyway, check out this steak. It turned out pretty good. All right, this is a fairly large but not very thick T-bone steak. We're just gonna set that in there, close the lid, hit grill. I don't want it at 450. Whoops, wrong one. Here, I'm gonna set this at 400 degrees. I'm gonna go 6 minutes aside. 6 minutes, and then I'm gonna hit that play button again. And just like that, it starts up. And you can look down here in the window and see it. Look at that right there. All right, after 3 minutes, it says shake right there. It does beep, and that's your indication to come over and either flip your steak or food, or if you're doing French fries or anything like that, you shake it around and move it around. So flip it over, and it's going to go for 3 more minutes. And just like that, I'm going to put a temp probe in here, and looks like we're going to hit right about 130 degrees, which is perfect for me. And there you go. Look at that. Beautiful looking steak out of this little air fryer grill. All right, so on another night, I had some frozen burger patties still in the freezer, and I'm like, well, time to give this a test on the grill part. Not only with the steak, but on burgers, frozen burgers. threw those in. I think I did 8 minutes, 4 on each side and 2 more minutes, 1 more minute on each side. Came out perfect. Yeah, so basically 10 minutes total. But look at these. Don't those look good? Nice grill marks. Just gonna add some Swiss cheese to these. And I'm gonna close the lid. It's not on, but I'm gonna leave it while it's hot and let that cheese melt. It tasted absolutely delicious. And to go with my burgers, I made these. And this is the air fryer part. I made some French fries in the air fryer, and these came out so good. Nice and crispy. That's the way I like my fries. So I'll definitely be using this for fries. Okay, so out of the 7-in-1, I did a handful of cooks with it. I grilled a steak, I grilled some burgers, I air fried some French fries, or air crisped them. Those came out really good. I was really impressed with those. So, you know, indoor grill, smokeless, man, it's just a pretty nice little appliance. And I think if you are in the market for an air fryer but also want an indoor grill, check this out. It's pretty sweet. So far, I'm really enjoying it. I haven't done the dehydrate part. I definitely will. I haven't roasted anything. I haven't taken it to the full limit, but so far, so good. And before I get too far along, this is non-stick. Look at that crud on there. It washes up so easy. Just a little soap and water. And if you don't want to hand wash them, yep, they are dishwasher safe. All 3 pieces, so you just pop them in the dishwasher and clean it that way. Pretty convenient. I'm really enjoying this thing, so I'll leave a link below so you can go check this thing out for yourself and decide for yourself if this is what you want to get into. There will also be a discount code down there, or the link, and yeah, check it out. I think it's pretty nice. Zstar 7-in-1 air fryer combo. Oh, grill air fryer combo. So I got myself an air fryer. I'm not sure how much I'll use the air fryer, but so far I'm really like using this thing. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button, do it all. Have a great day.